Fidelity Error 607 typically means the app can't establish a secure connection, leading to login failures. It's often displayed as unable to establish a secure connection or login error due to connection issues. This isn't unique to Fidelity, but reflects general security challenges in financial apps. While Fidelity releases updates to fix it, device or network issues can still cause it. Error 607 occurs when the secure handshake between your device and Fidelity's servers fails. This handshake is the initial secure communication process that establishes trust. When the handshake breaks, you see errors like your connection is not private, indicating the device and server cannot establish a secure link for exchanging sensitive data. The breakdown can stem from several issues: problems with HTTPS or SSL protocols, mismatches in security certificates, firewall interference that blocks the connection, or outdated security protocols on your device. Essentially, the app and server cannot agree on a secure method to communicate, leaving the connection vulnerable. First, ensure you're using the latest version of the Fidelity app. Check the iOS App Store or Google Play Store for updates. Second, restart your phone or computer. This can resolve temporary connection issues. Third, temporarily disable any VPNs or ad blockers. These can block the secure connection needed for the app. Fourth, clear the app's cache and data from your device settings. This can fix corrupted data causing the error. If the basic fixes don't resolve the error, focus on your network setup. Start by testing different connection types and checking for stability. Try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or from cellular to Wi-Fi. This can bypass issues with your current connection. For Wi-Fi connections, verify the signal is strong and stable. Weak connections can interrupt the secure link. Advanced users should check if Fidelity's servers are whitelisted in your firewall settings. This image shows a typical Windows firewall configuration where you can verify outbound rules. Also, check your router's firewall configuration. This image shows a router panel where you can ensure the firewall allows Fidelity connections. Finally, verify your device's date and time settings are accurate. Incorrect settings can cause security certificate validation to fail. Fidelity uses multi-factor authentication, or MFA, to add an extra layer of security to your account. This requires not just a password, but also a second verification step, usually through an authenticator app. Error 607 can happen when the MFA process fails. This often occurs due to network interruptions that prevent the authentication code from validating, or problems with the app's cache that store temporary data. If using MFA, make sure your authenticator app is working correctly. A common issue is time synchronization. The app's internal clock must match your device's time for codes to be valid. Consider re-enabling MFA within the Fidelity app settings. This can reset any cached authentication data and resolve validation issues. VPNs can sometimes conflict with financial apps due to IP address masking or security protocols. If you must use a VPN, ensure it's a reputable service and try whitelisting Fidelity's domains within the VPN settings. Alternatively, try connecting without the VPN to see if it resolves the error. If you've exhausted the troubleshooting steps and error 607 persists, it's time to contact Fidelity's customer support. Before contacting them, gather information about your device, operating system, app version, and any recent changes you've made. This will help them diagnose the issue more efficiently. Check Fidelity's website for contact options. Looking ahead, the future of financial app security focuses on smarter diagnostics and authentication methods to prevent connection errors like Error 607. Features like AI-driven smart login are being developed to preempt connection issues by analyzing user patterns and automatically adjusting authentication processes. Passkey authentication using FIDO standards offers a more secure and reliable alternative to traditional logins, using biometric data to establish connections without vulnerable passwords. To minimize Error 607 occurrences, regularly update your devices and apps, and understand how VPN settings can create conflicts that these future technologies will help resolve.